Let's practice identifying the hook, the thesis statement, and the organizing statement in a number of introductions. Here's an introduction to a personal argumentative essay. Ever since I can remember, I've played video games. At 3 years old, I blasted aliens away in my hunt for digital crystals. At 4, I competed in a pixelated version of the Formula One Grand Prix. These memories are virtual, but meaningful. Video games are a part of my life, and I couldn't be happier about it. They've allowed me to experience stories and worlds that are beyond my imagination. They've inspired in me a lifelong commitment to various online communities, and they're arguably the best form of entertainment ever. I'll give you a moment to try to identify where the hook begins and ends, where the thesis statement begins and ends, and where the organizing statement begins and ends, and within the organizing statement, what the 3 points are. Pause the video here and try to get those answers. So here are the answers. The hook, of course, is the first thing in the introduction to grab our reader's attention. It begins with ever since and it ends with meaningful. And the way to know where the hook ends is because the sentence that begins afterwards is the focal point of the essay. The essay is going to be about how video games are a part of my life, and I couldn't be happier about it. And if you're not sure if that's what the whole essay will be about, just look at the end of the introduction, and you'll notice that the organizing statement involves 3 points that each revolves around that central idea of video games are a part of my life. And I couldn't be happier about it. Why? Because first, they've allowed me to experience stories and worlds beyond my imagination. Second, they've inspired in me a lifelong commitment to communities, and they're arguably the best form of entertainment ever. Let's look at another introduction. I never liked jazz. I never liked it until I suddenly found myself miles away from home, and jazz was the only kind of music that reminded me of my roots. I was mesmerized by the wistful melodies of Charlie Parker's saxophone, Bill Evans' piano in gentle dialogue with Scott LaFaro's bass, and the smoky singing of Billie Holiday on her album Lady in Satin. I was so entranced that I started learning how to play jazz myself, and I think it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. Jazz has helped me understand a system of improvisation that I can apply to any genre of music. It has led me to make friends all over the world, and it's the kind of hobby that never gets old. Pause the video here and try to guess where the hook is, the thesis statement, the organizing statement, and each of the 3 points within the organizing statement. All right, let's go over the answers. So here's the hook. All the way from I never liked jazz to Lady in Satin. It's quite a long hook, but it leads us nicely into this thesis statement. I was so entranced, I started learning how to play. It's one of the best decisions I've made. And then the organizing statement involves 3 points, which explain why this is one of the best decisions the individual has ever made. The system of improvisation that can be applied to any genre of music, the friends that were made through the music, and the endlessness of the hobby. It never gets old. Let's look at one more introduction for a personal argumentative essay. I started smoking cigarettes when my boyfriend dumped me. We had been together for years, and when he explained that he wasn't interested in pursuing our relationship any further, I lost it. Out of a sense of anger and loneliness, I bought my first pack of cigarettes. I smoked them alone, in my bedroom, one after another. This habit continued for 2 years. I decided to stop because the negative effects were too great for me to ignore. I realized that smoking was turning into a way for me to cope with stress. It was a dirty habit, making my world smell like an ashtray, and it made me constantly feel empty, hungry, and impatient. Take a moment now to try to identify the hook, the thesis statement, the organizing statement, and the 3 points within the organizing statement. And here are the answers. This is the hook, the personal story at the very beginning. And the thesis statement is about deciding to stop smoking because of all the negative effects. And the organizing statement outlines 3 of those negative effects. Now, this organizing statement is unlike the other 2 because you might have noticed in the other 2 organizing statements, the commas showed us where the points were. We'd have our first point, comma, second point, comma, and third point. So the punctuation was helping us identify where each of the points were. In this organizing statement, the commas don't operate that way. You have to focus on the content of the sentence. You might have made the mistake of thinking that the 3 points were the last 3 words of the introduction: empty, hungry, impatient. Those sound like they could be the 3 different categories. It is a group of 3 words, but really our 3 points are these. Smoking was turning into a way for me to cope with stress, so the first point relates to stress. The second relates to the dirtiness of the habit. And the third point combines these feelings of emptiness, hunger, and impatience, which you can imagine all in one. Now let's move on to something a little bit different. This is the introduction to a literary argumentative essay. So it's not a personal essay. This is an essay focused on making an argument about a story. What would you say is the most defining factor of your identity? What essentially makes you, you? Identity usually has its own meaning for each of us individually. In the short story, How to Pronounce Knife by Suvankam Thamavangsa, the theme of identity is thoroughly explored through the life of a young Lagosian girl in school in Toronto. In the story, she explores her cultural identity, expresses how she feels different from the others by comparison of economic status, and protects her father's opinion about the English language as a way to consequently not assimilate with the people around her. Try to identify where the hook is, the thesis statement, the organizing statement, and the 3 points within the organizing statement. All right, and here are your answers. The hook is here, general remarks on identity. The thesis statement is here. It focuses on the theme of identity. It's not a very detailed thesis statement. We really just get that one word, identity, but I think that qualifies in this introduction as our thesis statement. And in relation to that theme of identity, we have this organizing statement. We're going to talk about the cultural identity in this essay in the first body paragraph. The differences she feels from others, and her relationship with her father. I want to show you one more introduction from a literary argumentative essay. Can by Arturo Vivante is about how the simple radiation of love and joy can impact another person's ability to resist temptation. In the story, we see a husband who is about to cheat on his wife, but a simple moment of joy sparks a battle within himself. The author characterizes the husband's wife as a beacon of joy, shows us the internal conflict of the husband, and makes use of vivid imagery and description to help us understand why he is conflicted. Take a moment, try to find those parts of an introduction. Here are the answers. This one was a bit tricky. I threw a curveball at you. There is no hook. We simply start with a thesis statement. And following the thesis statement, what do we have? A component that we haven't seen yet, a summary. You sometimes get these in literary argumentative essays, little summaries in the introductions. And after that, our organizing statement. Our 3 points are the characterization of the wife, the internal conflict of the husband, and the vivid imagery and description. I hope reviewing these sample introductions from literary argumentative essays and personal argumentative essays has been useful to you, and you've managed to practice identifying hooks, thesis statements, and organizing statements.